Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. Welcome to my channel if you're new. For those that are subscribed, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. So I truly appreciate that. Thank you guys. My name is Jasmine and we're going to be going over CVS, the ad that starts May 10th, which is Mother's Day weekend. I'm excited for that. So if you are a mom, happy early Mother's Day. But you really don't want to be looking at the ad, but in case you want to see what's out there and what's going on this week, I'm just going to show you really quickly, and also to make it easier in case you guys have to go to the store or purchase some of these items. Since there's a lot of these deals digital, you might be able to do them online. The list is going to be provided below. One thing I'm going to let you guys know, some of you have mentioned that it did give problems going to my website. I did talk to the IT department and they were able to help me with that. So finally is pretty smooth. So guys, I just want to let you know about that, and thank you for letting me know about that issue. So we're going to go ahead and start with the best deals. There's 11 best deals. I hope one deal that I'm really excited for is Charmin. I really need to stock up on that, and I have not seen it in some of the stores. I'm glad that there's a deal happening this ad. So maybe during the week I may go, since I have some ECBs expiring. Hopefully that Charmin is available, and there's other deals here that I'm excited about too. So know that that printable list is going to be provided below the link, which is going to take you to my website, and also you could see the Sunday insert schedule. There's coupons expected on this Sunday. I wasn't expecting inserts, but there are. I did a video talking about that as well. So let's start going into the ad, and the ad looks so fresh, so modern, looks so different. I really like it. So this is the cover for the CVS ad. As you see, it starts May 10 and it ends May 16. And right here, I'm showing you the ad on purpose because I want you guys to know something, that if you do purchase $30 worth of any cosmetics, and it says spend 30 on any cosmetics over $30 in value, you're going to be getting this free 8-piece beauty bag. So just do know that there is a deal that I'm going to show you that is worth $30. And hopefully if they have it in your store, make sure that you scan your card in the red box machine. I'm not sure if this is going to be available if you do this digital, because some of the CRTs, they don't show on your card unless you print them. I know some of those are confusing, especially those mystery coupons, but if it's available, then you might be able to get this free bag. And hopefully they do have them in the store, because I did miss out in Florida when this was available of last month. So let's go ahead and get started with some deals. Some deals I want to mention is Covergirl. As you know, we have been getting some nice money makers for Covergirl. This one is free and a nice money maker too. It's $1 money maker. Just buy one of the brow pencil and a powder. The reason is because you want to reach $15. In this one, you do need to reach 15 to get that 7 ECB. And there's coupons that are coming as well on this Sunday's paper. So if you're starting, you could go ahead and buy the paper. It will be there in the smart stores May 10th, and you will use 2 for $3, deducting 3 for the eye and 3 for face. And if you have the CRT for cosmetics, deducting 3 of 12, it will work perfect, because that way you'll pay $5.98, but you're gonna get back 7 ECB, making it free, and $1.02 money maker. If you don't have the $3 CRT, then this will be 99 cents. The other deal that I want to show you, this one, you are going to reach $30. And I know for the last haul, some of you received it. You did ask how to use it. I didn't do it last week because it wasn't the best deal for me. But I'm going to show you, because the CRT does say 10 off 30 Covergirl Clean Fresh. And as you see, this is a new line for Covergirl. It also includes Sally Hansen and I believe it's Claro hair color. So here's a deal idea for Covergirl. Buy 3 of the tinted lip oil. I purchased 2 and I have not tried them yet. I know I need to try them already to see how they are. But go ahead and buy 3 for $31.47. Use 3 coupons that are coming on this Sunday's paper. But the value is $2 each. So use 3 of those, and then use that CRT, deducting 10 of 30. Pay $15.47. So your final price after the ECB will be $8.47. But remember, you're spending over $30. and this is part of the beauty club. That means you're going to be getting 3 free ECB for spending 30. So that gives it a total of final price of $5.47 or $1.82 each. But remember, you already spent $30. Check the CRT box that is going to be printing, so you could get a free 8-piece beauty bag. So very excited for this deal because this is a new item, and using that CRT it will be just $1.82. Okay, so moving on, I'm excited for this deal because I need to stock up on Charmin. And here is spend 20, get 5. There's different deal ideas I'm going to be showing you. This one is Pantene and Tide. As you know, the Tide coupons is very hard to get. The good thing is that CVS do have some in there as a digital coupon, and you could go ahead to the Tide website or the P&G Everyday website and go ahead and print it. But just keep in mind that once you print it, it usually expires the next day. So if you're going to do this deal or any deals that includes the Tide or any coupons that is going to print from the P&G everyday website, make sure that you print it the day before or the day off that you're going to go couponing. So buy 2 of the Tide Pods, buy 3 of the Pantene. Right there you have $21.88. All these coupons are mostly digital. For the Tide, it will be a digital, but one it will be printable. There is a coupon in my CVS app, but this is on the phone. So if you have the app from CVS, go ahead and clip it or send to card if you're going to use it. And there's also going to be a coupon for Pantene. It says it there in our app for $4 off 3. And if you have the shampoo CRT deducting 3 off 12, it will be perfect because now you will pay $9.88, but you're going to get back 5, making it just 98 cents for each item, which I'm actually running low on Tide Pods too. So this is a pretty good deal for me. Another great deal that I want to mention is Herbal Essence and the Tide as well. So we're going to buy 2 of the Tide Pods and 2 of the Herbal Essence. As you see, the deal for Herbal Essence is 2 for $10. And there's going to be a coupon in our app for $3 off 2. I've been getting this CRT you see below here every week. So if you have it, go ahead and use it if you're going to do this deal. And so use that CRT, use the coupons I mentioned for the Tide and the app as well. Pay $8.88, get back 5, and everything will be 97 cents each. Remember, on the bottom, I like to share if you don't have the CRT, how much it will be, and that way you determine if it's a good deal for you. Another deal idea that I want to mention is the one Tide Pods, 2 Herbal Essence, and 1 Charmin. This one is going to be perfect for you to do it online. So the price will be $22.93, and we're going to be using that CRT that I mentioned. And everything else is going to be in the app. You're going to use not 2, you're going to use 1 for the Tide, the app only Tide, the Herbal Essence digital coupon, the CRT for Herbal Essence, and the coupon for Charmin, which is also a digital coupon. Pay $12.93 but get back 5, and your final price will be $7.93, which is not bad because you are including a Charmin product, or $1.98 each. So those are all the deals that I wanted to mention. But guys, I'm excited for this deal, but I'm just going to put a big but. I'm not sure if pull-ups is going to be included. If it is, then I am loving this deal. As you see, it says selected Huggies, and it's showing the Snug and Dry, and it's showing Little Movers. So I'm not sure if pull-ups, if it's going to be. We will know on Sunday. So far, the deal we do know that is buy 1, get 1 50% off, spend 20, get 5. And it's letting us know we're going to be getting coupons. And as you see, there's already some coupons shown in the app. So go ahead and clip this coupon. But like I mentioned, if it is the pull-ups, if it's included. So buy 1 for $13.49, the other one's going to be half off. So your total will be $20.24. Use that coupon in the app and use the CRT if you have it. Pay $14.24. And then get 5 ECB. But I'm loving that Ibotta, which you see right here, is also offering a cashback offer. And the cashback offer is for pull-ups, and it has to be 18 count. As you see, this one is 20, so it does qualify. And it's going to be giving you back $3 for each. And it has a limit of 5. So I'm loving that there's so many deals going on here, or incentives, or like this one, the cashback. So after the cashback, it will be $3.24 for both, which is crazy. So if you're new to Ibotta, this is a cashback app. This is my referral code. You can go ahead and use it. Go ahead and send it to Car. But like I mentioned, we will only know on Sunday if this one is included. And if you don't have the CRT for 3 off 14, then it will just be $3.12 each, which is still such a great deal. So excited, guys, but we will only know on Sunday if it's included. Here's another great deal, and this one is also if Nivea Men is included. As you know, sometimes it's included, sometimes it's not. And in here it says selected Nivea lotion, body wash, and lip care. Buy one, get two ECB. So if it is, it will be a great deal. Buy one for $5.99. Use the coupon that we expect in this Sunday for Smart Stores, May 10th. And if you have a CRT that has to do with body wash, go ahead and use that. Pay $2.99, but get two ECB, making it just 99 cents for buying. So we have Sally Hansen is going to be on special, but keep in mind that I'm just going to show you this deal alone. But remember that CRT that is 10 off 30 that includes Covergirl, but it also includes Sally Hansen, just in case you guys want to combine both and take advantage of that CRT. But in the meantime, you could just go ahead and do this deal on its own. And the deal is buy one Insta Dry, which you know is for $5.99. The other one, which is I believe is new, it says Pure Nail for $9.99. Right there, you reach $15.98. As you know, you need to reach 15 to get that 6 ECB. You could use that CRT that I mentioned earlier for CoverGirl, which is for cosmetics. So if you have it and you want to use that CRT for this deal instead, you could just go ahead and do so. There is a printable coupon for Sally Hansen. I'm going to provide that below if it's still available. And it's going to be a coupon deducting one each. Pay $10.98, stacking up those coupons with that CRT. And the CRT is that coupon that prints in the red box machine, and you will get that 6 ECB, making it a final price of $2.49 each. And the next deal I want to share, guys, I'm excited, but it's a sweet deal if you have this CRT, so go ahead and check it out. I logged into my account in my computer, not on the app, but in my computer, and I noticed that it was added today. So I did go ahead and I sent it to Card. So go ahead and check that out in your account, because sometimes in the week they do add some new CRTs. So this deal is Mitchum. I really like this deodorant, and this one is going to be on special for $2.99. You know, it ranges around $4 something, $4.59 sometimes. So $2.99 is a good deal. There's going to be coupons coming on this paper on the Smart Store, so use that coupon. But the sweet deal is combining it with that CRT that is for $2. You're not going to be getting any ECBs, but with just those coupons and CRT, you're going to get it free. Excited for that. If you don't have that CRT, then it will be $1.99. Aleve, I'm excited for, because as you know, it's on special this week, but it's going to be on special once again on this new ad. But this one is including the Aleve 100 count for $9.99. Regular price, this one is $11.49. So right there is on special. Another deal that they have is buy two get six. As you know, there was a coupons that we received on last Sunday's paper, which was on May 3rd, but this coupon expires Sunday. So if you want to do this deal, go ahead and do this deal this Sunday, since that coupon expires on Sunday. So buy two, use two coupons deducting $4, so pay $11.98, and you're going to be getting back 6 ECB. I did notice in the Fetch Reward app, this is my code. If you are interested, you will get some points, and those points will you could use them for a gift card. So sometimes they give 2,000 points, which equals $2. Other times they give 3,000 points, which equals $3. Sometimes they give 4,000 points. So if you sign up, at least know you're going to be getting at least $2 to $4 just for joining to Fetch Rewards. For buying this product for Aleve, they're giving also 1,500 points, which equals to $1.50. So if you're new to Fetch Rewards, and let's say you get 3,000 points and plus this 1,400, that right there you already have $4, and you can already redeem that in one. So many gift cards that they have. So really loving that there is a cashback offer for Fetch Rewards. So then after the ECB and that offer, your final price will be $4.48. It is not a cashback. They're not going to give you the cashback. They're just going to give it to you in a form of a gift card. And they do have CVS gift cards, so that's another way, a great way to redeem it for that if you like. making this a final price of $2.24 each. Copper tone, we did see this on special this week. Somebody did mention in the comments that you could almost get it free at Walmart. So excited for that. So, but just wait for that coupon, since we're getting that coupon on this paper. If you're able to get this at CVS, you will see that selected copper tone sun care is going to be on special for two for $19.98. Go ahead and use that coupon. There's going to be two different coupons. There's going to be one that's deducting $2 off one, and one that's going to be deducting $5 off two. And it's going to be in the Smart Source. Pay $10.98, get back 4 for buying 2, making it $3.49 each. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you're having a wonderful week, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend celebrating it with your moms, or if your mom's celebrating it with your family. Any printable coupon shopping list and all those cashback that I did mention is going to be below. I'm also excited for Flux, which is one of those new cash card or cashback app that I've been using since I've been buying a lot of stuff online, but I haven't been able to use it for CVS. If you guys have been able to use it for CVS, let me know in the comments section. So guys, thank you again for your support, and until the next video, bye.